Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden and Home. It's so good to be with you here today, and I just wanted to come out and show you what it looks like after a nor'easter, how the weather is cold and it's really dry. The snow is dry, but we've had a sunny day, which is great because that has caused the snow to melt and it is not too bad. But we're out here and I just wanted to share with you my winter wonderland here at Catherine's Garden and Home. So this has been the biggest snow amounts that we've had for this year here. Of course, it's January 2022, and it happens to be January 30th. Yeah, the last Sunday in January. So hopefully things will get better as it goes along. But I don't know. I know there are going to be more snowy days, but I'm glad that we were able to make it through this one. And yeah, even though it's a lot of snow and a lot of shoveling, we made it through, and I am grateful. Welcome to my winter wonderland. You can see the depth of the snow. It was just a whole lot of snow. And very windy and very cold. It looks very calm now today, but yesterday the wind was howling. It was tremendously cold. What I'm wondering is, are we going to get some more of these? And in the past, sometimes when you get into this kind of weather pattern, it just snows for a while. Then it becomes aggravating trying to deal with all of the snow. I think that this side of the garden is the best looking part. I do love this section with the arborvitaes and the snow on it with the sun coming through. It's just really beautiful. And this side of the garden is just beautiful. This is what I call my naturalistic garden area or bed. And you can see the snow on the arborvitaes weighing them down. And then, of course, the zebra grass is blowing in the breeze with the sun shining on it. It's almost like a spotlight. Quite beautiful. Yeah, right now this is the best spot in the garden. springtime. Now, my spring garden may not necessarily look like this next year because I know it's going to look different. But I know that it's going to be beautiful. And I know that the purple flowers will show up. So we can't get tired. We just have to keep on planning and dreaming and getting things together. Because before you know it, it will be spring. Thank you so much for coming and joining me. Thank you for coming and joining me here at Catherine's Garden and Home. I hope that you will have a great weekend, and whenever you watch this, that you'll just have a great week. And know that this too shall pass. Yep, we're going to have a beautiful gardening year here at Catherine's Garden and Home. So if you have not subscribed, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos, and enjoy this beautiful scene. Yep, every day is special. Every day is unique. So thank you for coming here with me, and let us grow, 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 grow together at Catherine's Garden and Home. Yeah, that's right. Grow, 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 grow together at Catherine's Garden and Home. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye. For more videos, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time right here in Catherine's Garden. Bye.